Epic is taking another avenue, another approach in their battle with Apple. We reported yesterday about the North Dakota situation, to unlikely battleground, initial battleground stage. And Epic was on the short end of that one. Now they're going to try their luck elsewhere, launching this antitrust complaint in the EU instead, following their action that's been taken elsewhere. They've now taken action in the US, UK, Australia, and obviously now...
It's a global war.
It is global. And they're actually not looking for any kind of compensation. They just want the situation to change. Obviously, their proposal is to offer customers other opportunities to interact with the apps that they love through a variety of app stores or payment processors, which is not currently available to them. I presume Apple's defense will be the same in the EU as it has been elsewhere, suggesting that they are the only ones maintaining that app store and making sure it's a safe and wonderful place, and therefore they don't have to allow these things on a platform, and that these alternatives would potentially ruin the platform. But we'll see what the EU thinks of it. Maybe they side with Epic and things get spicy. I don't know.